Namaste everyone and welcome to my channel Sapna's Yoga Diary. This is day 16 and you're learning yoga from me from zero. And if you have followed me so far, you are no more zero now. You know the practices of Yogic Sukshma Vyayam. We start with Yogic Sukshma Vyayam and I generally prefer teaching Yogic Sukshma Vyayam for around 1 month to my students. This is going to release the tension from the stiff joints, release the stiff joints. Basically, it loosens your stiff joints, bring the flexibility in the body, energizes your body, and also improves your stamina. So let's take the practice forward now. I would suggest you practice this for a month or more. Alright, keep your feet together, head straight, eyes open, focus on your throat, breathe deep and loud. Now move your head side to side, breathing normally, naturally. Move as freely as is comfortable. Now switch up and down. Now switch, rotate, one clockwise movement, one anti-clockwise movement. Complete 5 rotations at least. Now clench your fist, thumb in folded with the 4 fingers, protrude your mouth forward, suck in the air with the hissing sound slowly, fill the air in your mouth, apply chin lock and vigorously move your shoulders up and down, keeping the elbows straight. See how long you are able to comfortably practice. The moment you feel you are not able to hold the breath anymore, that is when you will bring your head in the center and exhale through the nostrils. Remember, inhalation through the mouth, exhalation slowly through the nostrils. Next, extend your arms forward, fingers together. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Now bend your arms from the elbow, place it at the shoulder level. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Fingers together. Now again extend your arms forward, this time fingers apart. Inhale up, exhale down. Now again bend your arms from the elbows, arms at the shoulder level. Inhale up, exhale down. Fingers apart. Now extend your arms forward, this time clench your fist, thumb in folded with the 4 fingers. Inhale up, exhale down. Again, bring the arms at shoulder level. Inhale up, exhale down. Now extend your arms forward and start rotating your fist from the wrist. Rotate, breathing normal, natural. Now reverse. Now open your fingers, stretch your fingers apart and bend. Bend your fingers tightly. Apply pressure on your fingers and hold. Hold 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, now again bend your arms from the elbows and hold. Hold 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Down. Okay, now as you inhale, move your arms up, bend back from the upper body. Exhale, return. Inhale, up, bend back. Exhale, return. Continue. Now clench your fist with the right hand, hold it back with the left, keep it in the middle of your back, feet together, eyes open. Inhale, bend back, exhale, bend forward. Inhale up in the center, switch your arms, now clench fist with the left, hold it with the right. Inhale, bend back, exhale, bend forward. Inhale up in the center, exhale, release. Next, keep your feet together, arms opening sideways. Deep inhale in the center, exhale, bend on the side. Inhale back to the center, exhale other side. Keep moving. Now open your legs, shoulder level distance, extend your arms forward, fingers together, rapidly twist back, gazing at the thumb of back hand. Constant twisting, constant exhalation. Twist, twist, exhale, exhale. Next. Now, feet together, extend your arms forward, inhale deep. As you exhale, bend down to the point when your thighs become parallel to the mat. Hold the breath, hold the position. Exhale down and hold. When you feel the urge to breathe in, take the standing position again. Yes, I'm holding the breath. Inhale up. And then again exhale, bend down and hold. Hold the breath, hold the position. You need to hold the position only till the point you are comfortable holding the breath. Inhale up again, last round. Exhale down and hold. Hold the position, hold the breath. Inhale up and release. Next, balance with one foot. Take the other one up and rotate. Rotate the foot from the ankle. 10 rotations clockwise and then 10 rotations anti-clockwise. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Down. Now feet together. Go on your toes. Lift your heels up and jump. Jump as high as you can. Keep your knees straight and try to come down to the same place. Start. Breathe normally, naturally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Relax. Next, Sarvang Pushti, Yogic Sthula Vyayam. Open your legs wide and comfortable. Clench your fists. Thumb in folded with the forefingers. Arms up. Left front, right back. Inhale up. Twist back. Exhale. Bend on the left. Switch arms. Inhale up. Twist back. Exhale right. Switch arms. Inhale up. Twist back. Exhale left. Switch arms. Inhale up. Twist back. Exhale right, switch arms. Keep moving. Relax. Next and the last physical practice, engine daud. You know how to run in engine daud? Today we are going to add one more thing to it. So clench your fist, one arm extended forward, other one held close to the chest, opposite leg folding back. Every time you extend your arm forward, you are going to exhale. Exhale, exhale. Exhale, exhale. Now slowly with the same pace, start moving forward and backward. Start running slowly forward and backward. Exhale, exhale. Relax. Go hand to feet. Slow down your breath. Breathe through your nostrils. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Up, inhale. Exhale, release and relax in Shavasana. After yogic cardio, I have told you to relax. Allow your body to relax for at least 5 minutes. Let your body rest. Let your breath resume its normal pace. Continue to relax. Relax. Take 5 minutes at least. And with this, I end session 16. Do share how far you have come, what you have learned, what is the best thing, what is something that you need to improve on. I would want to know about you. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with session 18 tomorrow. Take care. Namaste.